Hello friends, welcome back. It's an amazing day. Thank you so much for your continuous viewership and positive feedback. We've been covering a topic called transformation is key, and against that we are covering so many subtopics. We'll be covering more subtopics in the coming days. So today's topic is how do we find out our strengths and weaknesses that we call I particularly call the weaknesses as an area of improvement. Why? Because every weakness can become positive, can become strength over a period of time once we really keep practicing. So if I take my personal example, like I used to have a lot of stage fear. Till my college days, I never did any stage program because a lot of stage fear used to be there. But over a period of time, I could able to overcome, and today I can strongly believe that I can talk in front of thousands of people. Okay, so I think it's possible. Okay, are you ready to listen about it? How do we really overcome? How do we really get rid of our weaknesses and then make use of our strengths positively? Okay, that's the main topic today. So let's talk about it. There are basic three things which you need to understand. What do you love the most, and what do you daydream of, and what do you do something differently from others? Okay, so like, are you really creative? Are you bold? Are you something strong? Are you more emotional? Are you more loving? Are you more caring? What is it you are actually, what does your friends call you? They say that, okay, hey, this is a person who is trustworthy. He is a person very strong. He is very bold, or he is actually more, he helps many people, or he takes care of, some kind of, emergency requirements of many of the kind of needy people. So what is that actually your nature is? So it's more like a personality driven, so once you know that you're personality driven, are you creative, are you versatile, are you taking initiatives, or you are actually flexible? So these are something can be your strengths. Okay, so how do you really find out? Surely yes, one thing is could be a very very transparent feedback, what you can really take it from your friends or with your close dear and near ones. That could be one. But at the same time, while really writing down all these things, you need to be very 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 kind of, you should not have biased. No, you should just do it very very honestly. You should try to put it down. There should not be any biased influence, because you are doing certain things. Maybe you are helping some people just because of your friend is helping. It should not be like that. Okay, it has to be like, it has to come naturally. You love to do that, or you are loving, you are caring, you are actually humble, or you are a great leader, you take a decision. So these are all certain skill sets of your strengths. Or certain weaknesses could be something like maybe self-criticism. You keep on criticizing, complaining about yourself, like your how you look, or the way how you behave. You keep on complaining, criticizing about yourself. Maybe you feel insecure. That could be your weakness, that you can really overcome over a period of time. Or you are actually thinking about, as I said, the public speaking could be one of your weakness. Maybe like, for example, presentation skills. Maybe you think, that particular skill which you are trying to really learn, which you are still, not good at it. So these are all some strengths and weaknesses which you really need to identify. And then once you identify, you can really then take a steps towards overcoming it. There is something called a kind of beautiful kind of plan, a program which is there, something called Johari window. Johari window is something which talks about, there are 4 blocks in the Johari window. Surely you can take a lot of referential information from the different material. But Johari window is something like what you know about yourself and what others also know about yourself. So I'll give some example. Like, you are confident, maybe you are friendly, you are very very motivated, you are excited, you are energetic, you are helpful. These are something, is something what people know about yourself, your personality, and what you know about yourself, and what others also know about yourself. And the second, a block is something is that what you are not aware about yourself and what others know about yourself. Okay, others think you are very smart, but you don't think that you are smart. Others think you are knowledgeable, but you don't think you are knowledgeable. And others think you are self-conscious, self-confident, highly self-confident, but you don't think you are self-confident about yourself. Maybe others think you are clever, but you think you are not clever. So this is something is similar to, like, what you don't know, but what others perceive you as. And the third block is something like what you know about yourself, but what others are not aware about yourself. There is something like you are warm, which you think you are very very warm. You are very logical, but others don't see that you are logical, and you think you are very careful, but others think you are not careful. You think you are very responsible, but others think others don't think you are responsible. Like that maybe you are like assertive, but others don't think that you are assertive. So this is something is more like a what you know, but what others know about yourself. Last thing is that what you don't know about yourself, what others also are not aware about yourself. Maybe something like you get tensed very quickly, which you are also not aware, others also are not aware. Maybe you are like something like you are quiet at times, you get more like you become very introvert at particular stage. Okay, then that's something you also don't really realize, others also doesn't realize. Like that, these are certain characteristics. Once you really write down, you really understand your strengths, your areas of like what you know, what you know about yourself, what you don't know about yourself, what others don't know about yourself. So these are something, you really identify a blind spot. That blind spot can be worked upon, that blind spot can be you can really overcome such blind spot. Okay, hope this is very helpful for you. And Johari window is a fantastic tool. You can really get this information from different tools. You can really find out. If you want more information, please drop me a note. I'll be more than happy to guide you. And it's amazing once again, and happy to really talking to you about a lot of such points in the future. So if you like this video, please share with your friends. And if you really kind of wanted to get regular updates, you can subscribe this channel. And if you like this video, you can put a like and give your comments in this video below. And thank you so much, and see you once